Hey everyone. Wanted to take a few minutes to explain how you need to complete the assignment for the Chopin and Hemingway stories part 3. So this is very much like the other parts that you've done working with these two stories. If you want to reread the stories or look at them again, I give you the page numbers and then they are attached to the assignment instructions as well again, right? The assignment itself is the third file that will be attached under the instructions, and you can use that file to answer the questions. Remember, you open up that Word document, save it to your device, type in your answers, save it, upload it. Okay. So for task 1, it says read and respond to the story of an hour. Again, you have already read it, but feel free to go back through it if you need to. No research, no outside sources, just based on what you've read and what we have discussed in the module material. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, how would you describe the point of view in the story of an hour? And how does considering this point of view help us understand the story better? Right? Question 2, what are the setting and the atmosphere in the story of an hour? What do these tell us about the story? And question 3, in the Chapter 11 PowerPoint, we went over 2 themes for the story of an hour. Which one did you most agree with and why? And then do you think there are other themes in this story not discussed in the PowerPoint? Explain. Just give it your best shot there if you think there's something else in addition to the 2 that I discussed in the PowerPoint. And then task 2, do the same thing with Hills Like White Elephants. If you need to look back over it, you can, but based on the module material, no research, answer the questions. Number 1, how would you describe the point of view of Hills Like White Elephants? How does thinking about that point of view help us understand the story better? Question 2, what are the setting and atmosphere in Hills Like White Elephants, and what do these tell us about the story? And question 3, in the Chapter 11 PowerPoint, we discussed 2 themes for Hills Like White Elephants. Which one did you most agree with and why? And then do you think there are other themes in the story not discussed in the PowerPoint? Explain. Alright, so you're answering the same questions for both stories. And again, it's just a recap on point of view, setting and atmosphere, and theme. Okay? So you'll type your answers up either in the assignment sheet that's attached or in a separate Word document and upload it by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I don't want you doing outside research for this, but obviously we talked about a lot of these things in the week 4 module, so use that to your advantage. If you have any technical difficulties, let me know right away. Otherwise, look.